So we can see this top drive roller, it got hot here, and I'm not sure what's going on, but maybe a bearing out. So we loosened up the bolts on this side. We took the actual disengage mechanism off that was up under here so that we could get to the bolts on the bottom, and we loosened everything up. Hopefully we don't have to take it completely off on this side. And then on the other side, there's this little bracket that holds the roll on, and took that off. You can see here, now nothing's lining up. So now the roll is dropped down a little. So we're gonna we got our skid steer here, and we're gonna take a ratchet strap and wrap it around the roll and the bucket on the skid steer, and we're gonna lift it up that way, hopefully high enough to clear the top here so we can see what's going on inside the end of that roll. There's the bearing right here. It's been rubbing a little bit. So I did end up having to take the bolts all the way out, but you are able to get this up without completely tearing everything out. So there's the old bearing, and the plate's actually got a groove in it, so we ended up buying a new plate for 80 bucks, and then we got the new bearing. So I just wanted to show you, we got the old one out. I ended up cutting it out, but we have a slide hammer, and I was trying to hammer on the, you can see there's a groove on the back that I ended up cutting out. So if you get a slide hammer, which we have here, don't hit it on that groove on the back. That's a stopper. So you put the bearing in the right position. You can see I took a little chunk out of it, but still should be okay. Okay, we got the new bearing in. Notice we got it in there completely flush. We used a punch or a chisel, flat chisel, to get it slightly recessed here. Make sure you don't hit the inside of the bearing. Then we'll put this, the flat spot goes down. You see there's a flat spot and it goes like this. Okay, we got it done. Got the releaser, the drive release bolted back on. We got the bearing put in, and we just gotta release the tension on the belt so they're tightened up. Got that tightened down. You can see there's a little burnt spot up there from when it got hot. But the bearing's fixed. It took about 2 hours. I've never done it before. Probably take you a little bit less now that you have a good video to do it with. And about 150 bucks. So we go bale maybe another 100 bales a day. Baler's got about 3,000 bales on it, so that's about how long that bearing lasted. Hope this was helpful for you.